Hey YouTubers, this is gonna be my bike check. Basically just got this like a couple months ago. It's a Verde Cadet 20.00. Got it from Cutting Edge. Basically everything's pretty stock on it for now, but I will do an update. But alright, I'm gonna run you guys through this stuff. Stock back hub cassette. 25-2 sprocket. 25-2 sprocket. 9-2 driver in the back. Don't worry about that. 9-2 driver in the back. Don't worry about that. Right there. Stock pedals, plastic. Stock crank arms. Stock brake set. I have this van sticker. Won't stick. Stock front hub. Unsealed. Like to write unsealed bearings. Teal and black front hub. The frame weighs about 5 pounds. Plastic seat. I don't think I hit stock seat post clip. Dual grips, stock headset. I'm working on getting some of these parts for the bike. Stock brake handle, dual grips, stock handlebars. I think they're 8 inches. I don't know, but that's pretty much my bike for now.